growing data center needs. With fast start. Ramping up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 seconds, 25% load. Full load, that's 3 megawatts in less than 45 seconds. And there's so much more. Emission reductions of up to 90% NOx and up to 25% CO2. Built-in fuel storage with the highly reliable natural gas grid. The ability to balance the intermittency of renewable energy. A fast start, highly efficient, greener solution that meets your data center needs and a key enabler of the energy transformation. The Jenbacher Fast Start Natural Gas J620 Generator. INNIO Jenbacher. Energy solutions everywhere, every time.